Hey guys, welcome back to Jeeping with Kinsley. It has been a while. I am very sorry about that, you guys. A lot of stuff's happened in our lives, and I'll tell you about that later. But good news, I got the Jeep back. Yeah, my poor mechanic. My goodness, he's been put through the ringer with my Jeep. So really fast, before I start this video, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Hey guys, so my Jeep is back. I feel really bad for the mechanic because the poor guy, he got put through the ringer with my Jeep. So he took all the wiring from inside the Jeep, right in there, inside for all the AC stuff, and he basically had to take all of it out. And then he had to, so he had to take out the front seats, he had to take off the entire dashboard, and then he had to manually rewire the entire AC system because all the wires had melted together. And I asked for pictures, but he said he didn't take any, so that kind of sucks. But he also went through and he redid all of my my shocks. I don't know if you can see this. You see that red one? That's new. See the red one over there? Yeah, that's new too. And then up front, he did the same as well. He because all these shocks were original. This is the '97. Okay, so he replaced that shock right there, and then the same one on the other side. And then he also replaced the tension rod? I don't know, one of the bars. I asked him to change it because I was getting a death wobble really bad, okay? And so he put that thing in there, that shock right there. He put the shock up there, of course, for the other wheel. And then he replaced this bar right back here. Goes from there all the way over here to over here. And oh, what the hell? You guys, I just noticed something. That's not supposed to be like that. What the heck? That's supposed to be attached, I'm pretty sure. Well, that's crazy. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Okay then. I'm glad I made this video because I did not know that was loose. So I'm not sure how great of a fix that actually is, but I just took one of these fellas. Yeah, one of these big bolts that fit almost exactly how big that needed to be, and I just pulled this whole piece over to fit in there. I actually put two of those pin things in there, right there. I don't know how well it's going to hold it, but I'm not going to leave it like that forever. I'm going to go get the real bolt. I'm guessing it looks something like that. It goes on there to hold that how it's supposed to be. So just want to let you guys know how I fixed it for now. Anyway, so I got it back, and then I noticed something here in the back. And if any of you have a 97 Cherokee, you know what I mean. Like, we have the trim. Okay, you have like the trim on the sides and on the wheel wells, of course, and then all on the back. And then there's the trim right above the license plate. Okay, now check it out. Right above the license plate, they have that trim piece, right? Well, if you notice, mine is different. I actually just made this. Okay, I bought this little light off of Amazon. Little LED light, it looks pretty cool. And I rewired it all to make this little light work. Well, this piece right here is just a thicker piece of plastic that I just drilled the holes for, measured and everything. But check this out, okay? Check it out, you guys. I can't believe this. Like, when my mechanic brought it back, I noticed that it had a crack. Now, check it out first, okay? Let me show this to you first, okay? So this piece right here is like the trim piece for right above the license plate. Okay. When I got it back, I noticed the crack right here, and I touched it, and I literally just like went like that, and it just like fell to pieces. Like, I was like, I don't know how we got it back from Prescott without that falling apart. Okay, but it literally broke into many different pieces. Now, I'd already fixed this once, hence all the metal tape and hence if you can see that like discoloration, those cracks right there, and the metal tape right there, because it's broken before. Shocker, right? Well, so I got crafty, which is what I do. I pride myself on how crafty I am. But yeah, it's not very cool, because that piece I've been wanting to replace for a while. Like I've wanted to fix that piece for a while, and I did kind of, because it like literally shattered on me like a few years ago, but it's lasted for about, I don't know, 4 years. And I was just like, I really want to get like a piece of like metal back there or something, like paint it black and put a new light bulb on it. So this actually worked out perfectly, that we had a few bucks to spend on Amazon to get the little light, and I'll put a link in the description. I'm not affiliated with them at all, like I don't get money for it, but if you guys like it, then please, by all means, go there, get it. I mean, it's pretty awesome. Anyways, I'll put a link in the description below for that. Also, guys, yeah. But so really fast though, reason that we that I haven't posted any videos is we found out that my wife is pregnant, and it's pretty awesome. We're very excited, but it was one of those things where like the week came, and so Monday came, and we pulled my daughter out of school because they were teaching her some communist junk at school, and I'm just like, no, I'm not letting my daughter get indoctrinated by these leftist crazy ass people, okay? So my wife and I decided, like, okay, we're gonna take her out of school. Like, done. On Tuesday, okay, that was on Monday. On Tuesday, we decided, you know what? We thought it'd be cool to have like a class pet, since we're gonna be homeschooling. Like, hey, let's get a class pet. We already have a couple dogs. We have a cat. We have I think that's all we had. Yeah, we just said we had one cat and like 3 dogs. Well, we decided, hey, that'd be kind of fun to get like a specific like animal after like for a class pet. So we got guinea pigs. Yes, guinea pigs. I wasn't too excited about it, but at the same time, my daughter and my wife were ecstatic about it. So we got guinea pigs. Whatever. A lot of stuff's happened with them, but that's a different video that y'all probably don't care about on this channel. So, anyways. And then Wednesday came along, and my wife wasn't feeling well, and she kind of had that like morning sicknessy kind of feeling-ish. So we went and got her a pregnancy test, and she, took the pregnancy test, and found out that my wife was pregnant. So I was like, oh, like that's exciting. We were trying. It wasn't an accident, but it was like, wait, we just pulled my daughter out of school, we got guinea pigs, spent like 400 and something bucks the night that we got them on a cage, and like with toys and treats and food and all the stuff for them, and then on Wednesday we found out that my wife's pregnant. Like, we just kind of like went, I don't really know what to do right now. So it was pretty crazy, and all that like happened about a week before we sent the Jeep off to my mechanic in Prescott to have him work on it. So that was interesting. But anyways, so we basically we're just kind of like, we got this, we were planning, this is fine. We're going to just see what we can do with this. So we're gonna have fun. This is what we're gonna do. So my wife's pregnant, awesome. We're homeschooling, awesome. We did a little bit of like a project around the house where we actually knocked out a wall to help for the office area to be bigger, so my daughter could have more room for her like homeschooling stuff and all that stuff, and that was nice. So we did that, and then it was like, okay, well, I guess we need to work more, because we're like, you're pregnant, so you need to work more, I need to work more, so we can make sure we have enough money to get a crib and all the stuff the babies need, right? So then we all got COVID, and that was a lot of fun. Not really. COVID sucks. Anyways, no, we're not vaccinated, and no, it's none of your business really, but whatever. So Yeah, we got COVID. We spent 2.5 weeks just dying. And then we were supposed to have an OB appointment during that time. Anyways, so my wife was like, oh, we have to reschedule. So we rescheduled. And then, like, the 2 or 3 days after we got cleared from COVID, we went to the OB and we had our first ultrasound. And I'm telling you all this because we found out we're having twins. Yes, twins. And that's a small Jeep. Like, there's not room for twins in this Jeep. There's barely enough room for my wife, my daughter, and I in this Jeep. So to have my wife, my daughter, myself, and twins, a little bit more than we were expecting, but we just keep saying, that we prayed for one and we got blessed with two, so God will provide. And I'm sure if you're watching this channel, you understand that, so that's awesome. Uh, but yeah, that's my announcement to you guys. My wife is pregnant with twins. I don't know what's gonna happen to the Jeep because we don't really have the money to fix it much anymore. Yeah. So thanks for watching Jeeping with Kinsley. I'm still going to be posting as many videos as I can. I'm sorry I've taken like 5 months off, but it's been an insane 5 months. So, yeah. Thanks for watching in, guys. I love you, and we'll see you later.